So guys, what are your New Year's resolutions?
To be honest, I'm hoping to pass all my GCSEs this year.
I'm hoping I'll get a girlfriend. I've not had any luck with women this year, so I'm hoping next year will bring me some more luck.
I'm hoping to earn more money next year.
What's your New Year's resolutions, Caillou and Sally?
Mine is to be an amazing husband to Sally.
And mine is to be an amazing wife to Caillou.
I could take this. I'm seeing too many happy couples, and I can't even get past the talking stage.
You'll find someone someday, bro.
That's what they all say.
This is a warning message to the residents of Goanimate City. There is a tornado that has just been spotted 6 miles away and it is heading in the direction of Goanimate City. The Weather Center urges you to go down to your basements until the tornado passes. If you don't have a basement, then you're cooked.
Oh no, a tornado.
What are we gonna do, bro?
Think of something, babe. I don't want to die. I want our married life to continue.
Guys, we're not cooked, we can just go down to the basement.
Great thinking.
We should be safe in here, guys.
The tornado is currently in Go City. I repeat, the tornado is currently in Go City. If you don't have a basement, then now is the time to say bye-bye.
Oh no, I hope it doesn't reach this area.
Wait, Caillou, where are the rest of your family?
Mom and Dad are at the ball drop in New York. Classic Caillou is in prison, and Rosie, well, I don't know, I think she might be cooked.
Oh no 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 no, I'm too young to die.
You never know, she might come out alive.
Guys, I've just realized something.
What?
Well, you see, in the video maker, my house is simply a backdrop, which means Grounded Cringe can't move it or delete it. So yeah, no matter how big and strong this tornado is, it can't destroy the house.
So we don't even need to be down here.
We do. Since we're the characters, and anything can happen to us, including being sucked by tornadoes.
Well, that's just great.
But look on the bright side, at least the house will still be standing.
That's true, I guess. Wow, bro, you were right. The house hasn't been affected whatsoever.
I know, it's amazing.
Hey wait, look at those houses over there.
Oh well, Happy New Year everyone.
That's not funny.